Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this F33 320D M Sport. The exterior of the car is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that, of course, we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. As well as that, we've upgraded the wheels from the 18-inch M Sport to the optional extra 19-inch 442M alloys that we've just had freshly refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. The front of the car, you'll see it's a 2015 65 reg, has the very nice LED daytime running lights, and down the side of the car, not only will you see how well the mineral grey works with the rest of the enhancements we've made here at Your Next Car, but alongside that you'll see the sun protection glazing the car does come with. All of the alloy wheels are in fantastic condition and do also come with premium mixed run flat tyres. Interior, we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes with the electric lumbar option within this car. It's a 6-speed manual, as you can see there, and of course we'll take a closer look at all of that interior shortly. Rear seats, isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest, and again lovely darkened M Sport headlining, working very nicely with not only the interior but again this lovely mineral grey exterior colour. The back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser, and if you've not yet seen in the rear boot space of a F33 3 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with the luggage capacity. And again, thankfully somebody kindly very opted to go for the split folding seat option on this car, and again we'll demonstrate that for you in just 1 second. Moving round to the other side of the car, we'll show you once again that the mineral grey works very nicely with all of the additions made here, alongside being a very clean and tidy example. So I'll quickly just demonstrate, of course, that split folding seat option, and then I'll head round to take a seat inside and of course just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. So of course having that option really does just open up itself for a little bit more boot room, although of course, as I've mentioned, is a nicely large size boot anyway. So we've got the BMW business navigation and media option on this car, and we'll run you through that now. So there's the satellite navigation system. We've also got Bluetooth for telephone and audio, along with DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio inputs. Down here we find the dual climate controls, along with our 6-speed manual gearbox, as I mentioned. On our multi-function M Sport steering wheel, we've also got cruise control, we've got the speed limiter and voice and volume controls, again all situated on that lovely M Sport steering wheel. In total, this vehicle's covered just over 82,000 miles, and again I can quickly go ahead and show you the service requirements and service history. As you can see there, the next service is not due for 8,000 miles, and if we go up into the top section, we can view the service history that we've got with this car. Going back down to the beginning, which would have of course been its first service, all the way back up to the top, we've got full BMW service history with this car. Most recent visit to BMW was at 75392, and that was for a full service including all of the filters. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And don't forget, if you do want some further information, take a look down into the description. You'll find a link to our website where you can of course view funding options for this car, prices, along with a lot of other important information should you be looking to purchase the car. Thank you, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.